Okay, so finishing our segue, we're going to move into our second part. So we just did 5-3-1-5. That's our segue. Now our second part, part 2, is going to use our first finger at the 4th string. And our first finger at the left hand is at the 1st fret. We're plucking that, and then we're going to hammer onto the 2nd fret. We're only going to pluck one time with our first finger. And we hammer our 2nd fret. It's a nice slow hammer. Now our middle finger is going to pluck the 1st string, and our ring finger on our left hand is going to be fretting that 1st string. So it sounds like this. So it's 2nd fret, 1st string, and we're plucking with our middle. So we start plucking with our 1st finger, hammer, and then middle finger plucks the 1st string. And everybody says, well, why don't we use our thumb for that hammer? It would be easier. It would be. But we've also just come off our segue, 5-3-1-5. Which is using our thumb for the last note. 5-3-1-5. So we want our 1st finger free to do the hammer. We don't want to have to go. It sounds alright when we get. It sounds sloppy when we get it fast. So this will eventually allow us to get it fast, but right now it's hard to use. So we're doing 5-3-1-5. 1st finger plucking the 4th string, hammer, and then middle finger plucking the 1st string with the ring finger at the 2nd fret, and then we're going to take our middle finger to the 2nd string, which is open, and our 1st finger will pluck the 3rd string, which is also open. So 5-3-1-5, hammer. Again, 5-3-1-5, hammer the 4th, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string, and the 1st string is fretted at the 2nd fret, and the 2nd and 3rd are open, and our fingers are thumb 1st, middle, thumb 1st, middle, middle, 1st. Five, 3-1-5, hammer on the 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd strings. And it's thumb 1st, middle, thumb 1st, middle, middle, 3rd, 1st. I can't talk and play. You should have it. If you don't, go back and get it. So this is the beginning of part 2. Here's our segue, and beginning of part 2. 5-3-1-5, hammer. And get that down first. And we're going to go on to the next portion, which will be still part 2.